Hey guys, this is Crazy Gamer 12. Welcome back to another video. So this is another ceiling fan in my cousin's house. It's in one of the other bedrooms. It's the same exact one, except with different light bulbs. So yeah, nothing different with this particular one, except it goes slightly faster. The blades are still reversible from white to washed oak, but we're gonna demonstrate the fan, starting off with the light, as it does work. It's got 3 incandescent bulbs in it, just standard incandescents. Now for the fan, I'm gonna start off with low. That noise in the background, by the way, is just the fish tank. It's got a nice low speed, not bad. It's very quiet. This one doesn't vibrate. Anyways, now for medium. It even has like the tiniest wobble ever on medium. It's actually blowing a breeze on medium, not gonna lie. And now for high. This thing does wobble like a crazy thing, like a really wobbly fan on high speed. It's only a little wobble, no big deal. Other than the wobble, it's really quiet, so I would totally recommend it. I don't know where you can buy a fan like this, and I don't know what brand it is either. But it's a nice fan. Wouldn't mind having one of these in my house. I'll show it to you running with the light one more time. And it blows a nice breeze. It's a very powerful fan. Anyways, I'll turn it off now. Anyways, that's it. That is the second unknown ceiling fan in my cousin's house in one of the other bedrooms. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.